Here I'm in my kitchen in Willow Springs, Illinois, cooking up some chili for the Blizzard of 2011. Chef of the future.
Let me get a zoom in on that.
Cooking a little chili here. We're stuck in the storm of 2011, the blizzard in Chicago, Illinois. Killing some time, drinking some beers and cooking some really good chili on the grill, on the stove here, grill. Just about ready to go into the pot with the rest of the stuff. So
times we mentioned how great Sarah looked tonight. Oh yeah.
Fucking man. Oh. Hello. I'm here in Willow Springs, Illinois. It's February 1st, 2011. It's my granddaughter Haley's 6th birthday, but it's also the day of the Blizzard of 2011. So we're outside this door, some nasty weather. If you'd like to come join me, follow me. I don't know what to say, Jay. Hold on. Woo! Let me turn the light on. Oh, shit. Well, then, want to come out here and check this shit out? Holy crap. The dogs won't even come out in this shit. Man, it's early though. This is the very beginning of the storm. Very beginning. Mother Nature's gonna drop a big load on Willow Springs, Illinois tonight. And I can guarantee I'm not going to work in the morning. Nobody is going to work in the morning. Woo! This is just the beginning. Holy shit! Woo! Man! Oh, thank Christ! Holy smokes, man! Whew. Man, look at this shit. The plows are probably scared to come down the road because they can't do crap. Man, come down here, I'll show you the sign. Oh my God, the wind's blowing me over. If you can read that. Ah! 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 The wind is taking me down. Lord. Save me on. Oh, it's hilarious. Oh, come on. Did you get that? Wait. Jay, come here. What?
Look what Mother Nature did.
Mother Nature, what has she done to me? She's a whore. The bitch. I just tried to walk out here and check out the storm. Look what's happened to me. This is some cruel nightmare.
Oh, like I was walking straight down the street.
Oh my Lord. What's happened to me? This storm has just begun. What's happened to me? Oh, I can't even navigate. Where's my house? Where's my house? Oh, I can't believe what's happening. I think this might be. Wait. Oh my Lord. Did cut for a second. Hey. Gee, wait, I'm gonna fall again.
Let me cut the light down.
Hey, hold on, second.
Face.
1 second. I'm gonna cut it. I'm gonna fall again in the snow, right?
No.
No?
No.
Why not? Cut it. I'm gonna fall again in the snow, right?
No.
No?
No.
Why not?
No.
Freezing?
Yeah. Holy shit, dude. Get in the freaking house.
Ah! Come on, guys.
We got some incredible footage.
Okay, here we are with the Blizzard of 2011, February 1st. I don't know what else to say. We're going to go outside right now and experience the weather. It's 12 midnight.
All right.
Okay?
Hey, listen, all right.
And we're in Willow Springs, Illinois.
We did a recording at, what, 8:30, 9 o'clock?
Right, by 8:39.
Yeah.
And now we're going to go at midnight. We're heading out the door and see what it brings. The weather's not good.
We got a long way to go.
Yep, long way to go. This is probably nothing, but we'll see what's out there.
You got your beer?
Yep. Whoa. Okay. Come on, Max.
Come on, Roxy. Okay.
She's coming. Wait. You two it.
Got a long walk here.
Come on, Max.
Come on, Roxy.
Come, baby. Max. Max, come on. Come on, Max. Come, baby. Come on. Come on, babe. Okay. It's a blizzard of February 1st,
It's a repeat. It's a repeat.
2011. We're stepping out. Come here, Max. Oh my God.
Let me make sure I got this.
February 1st. It's around midnight.
Haley's
Probably about Friday after, but now.
Haley's birthday.
Yep.
Look at her go.
Woo-hoo-hoo!
Come on, baby. Come on, Brian.
This is crazy. 2011 Blizzard. Who gives a rat's ass?
Keep going. You got a long way to go, Rock.
I'm huffing the pump. Staying alive, staying alive.
Ha, 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 ha. Staying alive. You gotta have at least
NTM. NTM.
we gotta have at least 2 feet going here.
NTM, it's a blizzard.
Look at her following you, Dad. Just following you like crazy.
John Rocky.
She's loving it. Look at her.
She's my baby.
You hear me very good, don't you?
Yep. My baby.
Man, this shit's deep. I'm walking in.
Staying alive. Staying alive. Fucking dumbass.
Hey, Rock.
Fucking dumbass.
Hey, Rock. Huh?
Make some tracks and back home.
Let's skin out.
You're going the that way.
Which way are we gonna skin out?
Back to the game.
No, let's go that way. Let's skin out.
Good, walk up there. Good.
Let's skin out.
Go.
Racing!
Right here. To your right. Jay.
Oh shit.
Okay.
I see what you're saying now. You want me to make the tracks?
Let's go back down the street.
Okay, good idea.
Fucking dumbass. Come on, baby.
Woo! Don't mind goes down.
Come on, Sonny boy. I would never get up. I let him freeze to death.
Where we going? In Iowa?
I'm here in Wolf Springs, Illinois. It's February 12th. February 12th. February 12th. I believe it's after midnight. I'm out here in the storm, just trying to survive.
Alright, go ahead. Much clearer.
Okay. Go in front of that evergreen tree, right, Jake?
Alright.
Come on, Rox.
Oh my God.
There. How when you're ready?
You're walking in 3 feet of snow. What do you want?
Right. Ready?
I'm ready for anything. My pants are falling down.
I'm standing here, Wolf Springs.
I just fall, Dad.
Storm.
Can you help me get up?
Yeah, in a minute. 2011.
In a minute?
Oh
Yeah.
my God, yeah.
I'm freezing, man.
What's my fault?
Pull the handle up. I'm gonna do it. Help me! I can't get up.
Storm, 2011. It's after midnight. It was actually February 2nd. That's all I can say.
Help me out!
If I don't pop, I'll fall down. We'll both be on the ground. Oh my god. This King Corso running around 4 months old. Hey, fall this way. Fall towards the porch. I made it out. Very good. Oh shit. Here we go. Good. Yeah. Alright, girl.
Holy Santa Claus shit. I heard my knee crack a few times.
When you fell?
Yeah, and when I got up.
You'll be in rehab for a while.
Yeah. Look at he's the lens. You can't see shit anymore.